What's up, palm tree lovers? So today in this video I'm going to be up potting these little baby Canary Island date palms. This is my first time growing them in this type of a setup. It's pretty cool. I got it from Stuewe Sons, and these things are about 5 inches long, and it's really all you need just to get the thing going. And then from there you can plug it into their, well, I use their 6 by 12 inch containers. So you can see they're skinny and tall, 6 inches wide, 12 inches tall, just how you want it. So those deep root systems can really grow into it. So I'm gonna do 6, and that holder over there holds 50, so 6 have already germinated, so that was good. Can do that, and then I'm gonna mix up some soil. And in today's soil, what I did is I did a bag of the garden soil. It's like pretty inexpensive, I think like $5. And then I put a little bit of the palm and cactus mix, and then I mixed in some perlite. So I'm gonna have to mix that all in real quick. But this tray is pretty cool because it saves a lot of space if that is something that you need to do. So let's mix.
Yeah, that perlite is really good for well draining soil. And
Alright, now let's get some soil in these bad boys. Okay, let's compact this down.
nice and tight.
Make sure I have the right height. Yeah, looks good. I got about 1 inch or 2 above the soil. Little trick I do is I'll put the smaller container inside and put some soil around it. Obviously get it centered where you want it. Put some in the sides, compact it really good. So when you pull it out, it'll be ready to go. The hole will be ready. Let's take a look at him. This is my first time using these, so, oh wow, look at that. Nice little root system already built in on the bottom, curling up. Nice. So let's get this just where I had it. I think this is how I had it, something like that. Cool, cool. Looks good. Yeah, I can fill in the rest now. Shake it in so it puts it everywhere you want it. I made this a little higher up than I would like, but the thing is the water will make the soil compact and go down even more actually. In the future, as you water it, that soil is going to get compacted pretty good. So actually this is not bad. This is pretty good actually. Now that I think of it, it's actually perfect because I didn't compact it. But now that I'm compacting it, yeah, it's looking good. Okay, look at that, nice little frond. Okay, now I'll do the rest of them. Alright, so we have all 5 of them completed. Originally I thought there were 6, but there's only 5. So all there is left to do is just water them. So let me just Put them in their little container. I like these little holders because they can hold 4 of them. This right here. No. And yeah, these work really good together. So I'm really pleased that I stepped it up and did that. So let's water these bad boys. Water them till the water starts coming out the bottom. And these guys are going to grow real well in these containers. Just give it a couple weeks and they will look just like this. This little guy is already growing another second little frond. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Take care.